I want to show you guys how to gain over 25,000 worth of Hamster Kombat Coins by performing just a few tasks on their platform. Okay, so this is Telegram, and I want to go to the boats of that of the Hamster Kombat. And this is it right here. Okay, I want to touch on this. It's going to open up this page, and I want to go ahead and then click on this place where it says play. Okay, so once I do that, it's going to try to launch the interface for me. Alright, so the interface is basically launched. This is what it is right now. I want to click on a thank you combat, and it's going to basically give me some coins because I think I enabled being able to begin to gain coins even if I'm not online. Okay, so once we are on this interface right now, which I believe that most of you know how to get here, and all you need to do is to go to the tab where it says end. Okay, so if you look down here, you're going to see that there are some tabs displayed down here. Okay, so what you basically want to do is to go to the end tab. Okay, and before we actually do that, I want you to take a look at my balance right here. This is 353,256 worth of a combat coin right here, and my profit per hour is just plus 7.19k right there. Okay, so I just want you to pay attention to this particular one that is here, because once I perform these operations, this particular coin is actually going to increase. Okay, so to do that, let's go down to this tab down here, and I want to go ahead and click on the end tab right here. Okay, so let's do that right now, and then it's going to bring up this page for me. Okay, so I can perform some daily tasks right here, and I will be able to earn some amount of a coin from this 6,649,000 coins that is actually here right now. Okay, I'm not going to earn all of this at a go, but I'm going to basically earn a good proportion of this once I go through this particular place. But after that, there are some other tasks down here, like joining the Hamster Kombat Telegram page right here, or channel. Okay, and this is actually found on Telegram. And after that, I can also perform this one that says follow us. I follow our X account. If I do that, I'm going to actually gain 5k. Remember that the first one I can also gain 5k. The second one is also 5k. And down here we have choose your exchange right here. You can actually choose your exchange, whether you want to use Binance, you want to use something like Bybit. If you choose that, you're going to basically gain some coins down here. Okay, and then after that, there is another task down here which is about you inviting like 3 friends, and then you're going to actually gain 25,000 worth of a Hamster coin or Hamster Kombat Coin. Okay, so I want to start off with the daily reward right here, and to do that, I'm going to click on this arrow that is there. It's going to bring me to this page. Okay, so this is basically the 80th day, okay, of my operation on this. So if you see here, this one is actually highlighted, and I think is I'm basically going to actually gain up to 500k right here. So what I even mentioned earlier is a lot smaller than what is actually going to give me right now. Imagine 500k from there. Okay, so I want to claim this right now, and what you need to do is really very simple. You see the button down here that says claim? You can go ahead and then tap on that. Okay, so let me tap on that right now, and it seems like I've actually gained that. So if you take a look in here, you see that it's as marked here with a check mark. Okay, so before we perform the other ones that are here, I want to check my balance first of all. And to do that, we can go back from here, and if you take a look at my balance right here, you see that it increased so drastically. Okay, it was 300 and something thousand at that time, but now it's not 843,600 and something right there. Okay, see how I performed that task and I was able to move up this ladder right here. Really very simple, right? That's good. So if you like what you are just basically gaining from this video, I want you to go to the comment section and just say thank you, and don't forget to also click the like button. Those things, they don't actually take much time to actually perform. So click on the like button and let's continue. So let's go back to the tabs that we have down here. Okay, so I'm going back to the end tab again. So I want to click on that, and then it's going to open up. There are some tasks that I need to perform right here. First of all, I want to join the Telegram channel right here, and that means I'm going to basically click here, and we have something that says like join here, and I also have check here. And the mistake some people normally make is to go ahead and click on check when they have not actually joined first. Okay, you need to join them first of all, and after that you can come and click on check. This check simply means that they want to check whether you really joined or not. They want to see whether your account was added to their following. Okay, so I want to go ahead and click on join first of all, and you see that it's basically going to open up this page for me. So all you need to do on this page, if you take a look down here, you're going to see where it says join. Okay, so down here you see join. So I want to touch on join, and I have basically joined. Okay, really very simple, right? So now let's go back to the interface. Okay, so we can go back there, and I've actually joined already. So what I need to do right now is now go ahead and click on check. So let's click on check. Okay, so it seems like that was actually successful. If you take a look in here, that it kind of increased, okay, and then that is a check mark here showing that I did not actually cheat them. So I really joined, okay, and we can also verify by going back in here, and you see that it kind of increased by 5,000, right? Good. So let's go back to that interface again. So I'm going to go to End tab, and I want to move on to the next one, which is basically following them on their X account. So to do that, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to say join down here. Remember, that's just basically what we need to do first after join. This one actually looks somehow. I've not actually done this before, but let me just click on join and see what is going to basically happen. Okay, so it's going to bring up this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on X, which is the platform that they want us to join right now. All right, so it seems like I'm just basically going to say it seems like there is no internet connection right now, and it seems like I'm actually not even logged in. So but what I want to do right now, let me just first of all refresh this page. Okay, I don't know what really happening with my internet connection, okay, but let me just try to see if I can fix it. All right, so let me refresh again. All right, so it seems like the internet issue is actually fixed, and what I want to do right now is to go ahead and log into my X account right here, and to do that we can use our email. So I'm going to use my email right here, and then go ahead and click on next, and I just basically need to, okay, my password is right here. Let me select that and then click on login. And then if you take a look there, I think it should directly take me to the account of the Hamster Kombat right now. And here is it, guys. So all I need to do is to click on this follow right here. That's just basically what they want me to do. Okay, so I want to click on follow, and that changes to following, and that means I've actually completed that. So we can now go back. So I want to go back right now. Okay, so we're back right here. Okay, I can now authorize them to go and check whether I really followed or not. Okay, by clicking on check. And it seems like it worked, guys. It seems like it works. So if we go back, we're gonna go ahead and then see whether that our coin is increasing. Of course, it's actually increasing. Okay, we can do the same thing. We can keep repeating the same thing for some other tasks that we have in here. Okay, so the next one I'm basically gonna do is actually this one that says choose your exchange. Okay, and then you can go ahead and then invite like 3 friends to be able to gain this amount that we have in here. And then in the description of this video or in the comment section, you are going to find a link to my own referral code so that you can actually join. And if you use that link, I'm basically going to stand a chance to win this 25,000 worth of a Hamster Kombat right here. Okay, so for this one that we have it here, to choose your exchange, I think is basically going to be just based on if you want to use Binance, if you want to use Bybit, or any exchange at all. Okay, which I believe that you guys can actually do that on your own. But and that is just basically how to perform some tasks to be able to earn some amount of coins of that of the Hamster Kombat. Okay, so maybe in the future we're also going to take a look at how to earn the daily Hamster Kombat, okay, which is this 5 million worth of a Hamster coin right here, how to earn it on the daily basis. We're going to take a look at that one of these days. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, I think it's time for you to actually do that, and I think I will see you in the next one. For now, bye bye, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching.